Equivocal.
Equivocal mean uncertain, hazy, ambiguous, vague.
Opposite meanings are obvious, lucid, clear, plain.
Epitome.
Epitome mean precise, example, miniature, summary.
Opposite meanings are increment, expansion, lengthen, enlargement.
Enormous.
Enormous mean colossal, mammoth, immense, spacious.
Opposite meanings are insignificant, diminutive, trivial, negligible.
Enlighten.
Enlighten mean elucidate, educate, illumine, inculcate.
Opposite meanings are ignorance, distortion, delude, obscure.
Enjoin.
Enjoin mean direct, counsel, exhort, command.
Opposite meanings are prohibit, forbid, revolt, dissuade.
Endurance.
Endurance mean submission, forbearance, tolerance, patience.
Opposite meanings are breakdown, despair, volatile, agitating.
Endowment.
Endowment mean grant, benefit, bequest, gift.
Opposite meanings are drawback, damage, loss, disinherit.
Endeavour.
Endeavour mean undertake, aspire, venture, struggle.
Opposite meanings are cease, quit, shun, idle.
Encumbrance.
Encumbrance mean hindrance, obstacle, burden, impediment.
Opposite meanings are incentive, stimulant, patronize, vantage.
Encroach.
Encroach mean infringe, intrude, trespass, violate.
Opposite meanings are avoid, evade, shun, abide.
Embrace.
Embrace mean cling, hug, adopt, caress.
Opposite meanings are reject, neglect, shun, slight.
Embezzle.
Embezzle mean forge, swindle, defraud, speculate.
Opposite meanings are redeem, restitute, reimburse, compensate.
Elucidate.
Elucidate mean enlighten, clarify, expound, illustrate.
Opposite meanings are equivocate, confuse, distort, confound.
Eloquence.
Eloquence mean expression, fluency, peroration, oration.
Opposite meanings are halting, stammering, indistinct, inarticulate.
Eliminate.
Eliminate mean expel, oust, exclude, remove.
Opposite meanings are restore, accept, retain, include.
Elevate.
Elevate mean dignify, heighten, promote, raise.
Opposite meanings are deprecate, denounce, lower, recline.
Elegant.
Elegant mean graceful, distinguished, refined, polished.
Opposite meanings are obnoxious, unrefined, ridiculous, coarse.
Elation.
Elation mean joy, exultation, delight, enthusiasm.
Opposite meanings are gloom, despair, depression, melancholy.
Efface.
Efface mean destroy, obliterate, annihilate, abolish.
Opposite meanings are retain, maintain, regenerate, resurrect.
Ecstasy.
Ecstasy mean delight, exultation, overjoy, rapture.
Opposite meanings are despair, calamity, doldrums, depression.